I'm introducing a Triac switch. With a small voltage and current, you can activate more power. The MOC 3021 Optotriac electrically isolates the two circuits. This allows you to connect it, for example, to an Arduino or an electronic circuit you've made yourself to activate some power. For the example, I'm going to use 12 volts, so you'll need a 2000 ohm resistor or 2K ohms. I calculated this with a current of 5 milliamps. The acceptable values range from 5 to 15 milliamps. Here's the list of resistors I calculated based on the voltage we're working with at the optocoupler input. And at the output, the order of the pins doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether the resistor goes on this pin or the other, but they do have to go to terminal 2 and the gate. Terminal 1 will go to the live or neutral, and terminal 2 will go to the light bulb or whatever we want to connect. Whatever we want to connect should not exceed 4 amps. So in this case, for 230 volts, a maximum of 920 watts the Optotriac. These are pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. To provide the input signal, this is the positive and this is the negative. Since I'm going to supply 12 volts, we add the resistor. Now for the Triac, we connect the live or neutral to pin 1. We connect the 820 ohm resistor to pin 2 and the optocoupler to pin 6. This 40 watt bulb also connects to pin 2 and the other to the live or neutral and the gate to pin 4. We connect the negative, and if we connect 12 volts, it will work. We see that 5 milliamps are circulating. With just 5 milliamps, we can power the 40 watt light bulb. I don't know if you can see it. It's sort of flickering. Something's not right. Let's see what's going on. Let's connect the oscilloscope. This is a circuit I made because the oscilloscope can't handle voltages above 50 volts. It's not working well. See? The waveform is clipping. I'm going to change the optocoupler. Now, yes, it was the optocoupler that was broken. I remember testing the circuit with DC current, and I didn't do something right, and it broke. Now, you can see the signal coming out correctly. Well, this applies to circuits we've made or to the Arduino or whatever we want. And with this circuit, we handle power a maximum of 4 amps. If instead of 230 volts, it's 110 or 115, then that's less power. Oh, I forgot to give you the oscilloscope circuit. The one I use to look at higher voltages than this oscilloscope can handle, I put a 10 megam resistor on each line, and then a 1 megam resistor in parallel with the oscilloscope.